Hi, this is a video on how to land a L-39C. It's no different from any other fixed-wing aircraft in DCS, but if you're flying this, it may very well be your first non-Fleming Cliffs 3 aircraft. First thing we have to do is slow way down. This plane likes to land at about 150, and it doesn't like to drop down to 150. Like the Sukhoi 25s, it just doesn't want to stop flying. So I'm going to pop out the air brake. You can see we have a little light here. I'm actually going to have to circle out here to bleed some speed. And this is the thing that may get you into trouble early on. It's just coming in way too hot. At this point I can drop the gear, which will give me some more air resistance. And once I get it below 300, I can also pop out the flaps, which will slow us down real quick. There we go. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Now we'll balloon up when we do that. That's okay. Can now actually point the nose at the runway without building up a huge amount of speed. Now if we exceed 300, the flaps will actually retract automatically on their own. Yay, trainer. And as far as I can tell, there aren't any sort of structural limits on the landing gear. I've done a dive at 700 and it didn't hurt anything. Now we want to touch down, as said, around 150, 160. We're still going a bit fast, but that's okay. Slowing down, bring nose up a bit, and go ahead and flare a bit. And when it's ready, it'll touch down on its own. There we go. And we can, this runway is long enough that we can just coast it out, or we can apply a little bit of brake and slow it down in a hurry. At this point, we'll taxi off the runway, left rudder, and a bit of wheel brake, and a bit of throttle so we don't actually stop. A bit of right rudder to counteract. And I'll park it right here, because I like being in the way. That's all there is to it. It's just like any other fixed-wing aircraft in DCS. Except it has a really low landing speed, and it doesn't like to fly slow. Well, not that slow anyways. That's all.